I just found a bird nest. So now I'm looking for more because I actually saw some birds that were over at my grandma's, and one flew somewhere right by her plants. Another one flew right where you guys were just looking at. Right. Oh, jeez. It flew right there, and the other one flew like somewhere over here. I actually don't know. But I'm just watching this one before the mama can come back. So I'm basically like her guard thing. So if you know how birds are, they are very crazy about their mom, about their kids, about their nest kind of things. So I'm just trying to look for them wherever the heck they have went to. But I'm looking for birds now, bird nests, and when my mom comes back, because I just saw her flew away when I started to walk over there. So, yeah. So, it's time to go see what my sister's doing. My brother, we already all know he's already looking at the puppy stuff. Tink! I found a bird nest. Yeah, come on, follow me. It's over at Grandma's. So me and her are about to go look now. Over there. Come on. I swear my tank top looks like it could be a green screen. My tank top could be a green screen. If you guys know how to make it look like a green screen, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll comment back to you. So while I head up here and show my sister where it is. Hopefully mom's not back yet. If she is, then Tink. What the heck? My sister is going to whack it.
I know I'm going to knock it down.
No, don't. There's babies in there. So I'm going to close it real quick.
No, please.
No. There are babies in there. And the mom's going to get angry at you. So I am actually going to close the screen for a second and show you. Okay.
How come you guys aren't in school?
It's Maple Syrup Festival.
Maple Syrup Weekend.
Yeah, Maple Syrup Weekend.
Weekend's over.
No, it's not.
This is Monday.
I know, but we still don't have school today.
Hey.
Stop! There's a bird's nest.
Put that back. You don't touch my broom unless you ask. Leave that bird nest alone. Want somebody poking you with a stick?
I know.
What are you doing?
Also, here is a... Oh, God. No, I can't zoom in. So, I'm just going to be cheating and showing you guys my cousin's family's backyard. And it's not working. There it is. I think that's the mom. Oh, God. Run away. Lambo too. Lambo too. When I'm older, I made a list of things that I want, the things that where I want to go. Ooh, there's holes. That's weird. So, yeah. That's what I made a list of, and I really like it. So, oh, shaka shaka laka laka. So, before I end every video, I have to do something first. I jump from here, and then I do a flip. Okay? Yeah! Booyakasha! Sorry. Bye! Bye!